Bang' ywak mar jorit aluora ewi yiende maluar aoyaye e aluora mar alap mar Uhuru Gardens mayudore e bath apaya ma Moi Avenue, ten kaunti ma Mombasa omakore kod riwruoge mamoko makonyo e bero aluora mondo mi okony e jiwo nyadhi mar aluora mar puodho ma Uhuru Gardens. Puodho ma Uhuru Gardens no osebedo kod yiende ma igi oniang' kendo molik tiga osebedo kodakie kendo nyuolore. E dwe mar abich, jorit aluora nochiwo ng'ur ewi okang' mar ten kaunti ma Mombasa ng'ado yiende go oko ka giwacho ni oketo ngima lee ma kamago kama rach ahinya e dwe mar ang'wen kod abich e kinde ma lee go nyuole. Kata kamano, kaunti no ma Mombasa oketo chung' motegno ni chenro margi mar ng'ado oko yiende ma ndalogi oseniang' kendo ma thoro lwar en gima ni kare, ka giwacho ni okang' mar rito ngima oganda nyaka mimbe okang' ma mbele.
Of degradation at the park over the years, and now we want to focus on rehabilitating this park to bring in more, nature, make it cleaner, and to bring in more people into the park so that it can continue to offer the kind of ecological and economic opportunities that it's supposed to offer for the people of Mombasa.
The city is getting hotter and hotter. People are suffering from heat-related problems in the hot season, and the best way to cool the city is to maintain tree cover. So maintain places like Uhuru Garden, but also increase tree cover. We can do street planting. There's a lot of good roundabouts in this city which have currently got plastic on them, astroturf, where we can plant trees.
These birds are very crucial. They are termed as keystone species because of the role they play in the ecosystem. In a single night, they are known to fly over, during foraging bouts, over 100 kilometers. And they feed on the wing. And because they are mammals, they carry heavier seeds. And they drop seeds as they're foraging around. Now, by dropping those seeds, including many economically important trees like mangoes, guavas, figs, by dropping those seeds, they are helping in revegetating areas that have been cleared of vegetation, maintaining natural habitats.